On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie. Well done crispy coated tuna steaks. Ingredients: cover a bowl with a plastic bag. Place the tuna steaks in the bag. Add garlic granules or fresh garlic, ground black pepper, aromat seasoning or salt, paprika, some smoked paprika, Worcestershire sauce, and a drizzle of olive oil. Wrap tightly and refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight. To a small bowl, add corn flour, garlic granules, aromat seasoning or salt, ground black pepper, Nando's lemon and herb seasoning, and finally, dried parsley. Coat the tuna steaks in the seasoned corn flour mixture. On a high heat, add oil to a pan. Pan-sear the fish until golden brown or according to the cooking time guideline. Sear the edges as well. Because I like everything well done, I baked the tuna steaks for 2 to 3 minutes in an air fryer that had been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. I also recommend covering the fish with tin foil while it bakes. And that's it. Plate up and enjoy these delicious, well done, crispy and coated tuna steaks. 9 out of 10 rating. I'm curious to know what you think in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Love you all and God bless.